Have you ever picked up your iPhone, entered the passcode a few times, and suddenly the screen shows iPhone unavailable or iPhone disabled? At that moment, many people panic. They think their iPhone is permanently locked, or that something is seriously wrong with the device. But the truth is, this situation happens very often. Usually it appears after too many incorrect passcode attempts, and it's simply Apple's security system protecting the device. The good news is that there are several legitimate ways people recover access to their iPhone in this situation. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 3 common methods users try when dealing with an iPhone unavailable or disabled message. Before we begin, a quick note. This video is intended only for people who legally own their device and are trying to regain access after forgetting their passcode. Activation lock and security protections exist to prevent unauthorized use of lost or stolen devices. Method 1. Reset using Apple ID. On newer versions of iOS like iOS 26.3.1, Apple sometimes allows users to reset their device directly from the lock screen using their Apple ID. If the device shows the Erase iPhone option after several failed attempts, you may be able to tap it and sign in with your Apple ID password. Once verified, the iPhone will erase itself and restart like a brand new device. After the reset, you can set up the phone again and restore your data from an iCloud backup if one exists. However, this option only appears when certain security conditions are met, and it may not be available on every device. If you don't see the erase option, don't worry. Let's move to the next solution. Method 2. Restore using iTunes or Finder. Another common method is restoring the device using a computer. To do this, connect the iPhone to a Mac or Windows computer and place the device into recovery mode. Once recovery mode is detected, iTunes or Finder will give you the option to update or restore the device. Choosing Restore will reinstall the iOS system and remove the passcode from the device. Keep in mind that this process will erase all data stored on the phone unless you previously created a backup. After the restore is complete, you can set up the iPhone again. Now let's look at another approach. Method 3. Using IBF Tool. IBF Tool is used when people cannot access their device due to a forgotten passcode. Supported operating systems: Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. After downloading and installing the tool in your computer, connect your device with a USB cable. This IBF tool guides users through connecting the device, identifying the correct model and system version, and starting a recovery procedure. As always, tools like this should only be used on devices you legally own. Perfect. Even old photos exist. As you can see, an iPhone unavailable or disabled message doesn't always mean the device is permanently locked. In many cases, users regain access through one of the methods we discussed today. The right solution depends on your situation, whether you still know your Apple ID, whether the device is backed up, and what options appear on your screen. If this video helped you understand your options, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more iPhone troubleshooting guides. And if you have questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and contact us with our contact options. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.